Now that you've created your Diigo Educators account and begun bookmarking and annotating sites, you're ready to create Diigo groups for your classroom. This is an ideal way to introduce your students to social bookmarking and get them collaborating on online research. Your students don't need emails to create Diigo accounts and be added to your class groups. Also, all of the work that they do online will remain private and only shared within your class group. Begin this tutorial by signing in to your Diigo Educators account. In this tutorial, we'll go page by page through the process of creating a Diigo classroom group and adding student members. Once you're logged in, you'll see links to your library and to your groups at the top of the page. Pull down the menu at the top right-hand corner of the page and release on the Teacher Console. On the Teacher Console page, you can link to any group that you've already created. Click on Create a Group for My Class to start a new group. On this page, you'll choose a name for your group. This name can be edited at a later date if necessary. Add a description of the work that you'll be doing in this group. At the bottom of the page, make sure to select the Private button next to Who Can View. This will assure that only your group members will be able to view postings to your group. When you finish completing this page, click on Create My Group. Next, it's time to add students to the group. Click on Invite People. Since your students won't be signing up for their Diigo accounts using email accounts, you'll need to click on the Create Accounts for Students and add them to the group link. As the moderator of your group, you'll find helpful information on this page regarding creating student accounts. In the provided box, type your student's first name and last initial only, separated by commas. Once your students have been added to your group, you can add them to other Diigo groups using their individual Diigo account information. Here's a sample of what your page will look like after you've added your students' names. Once you've added your roster, click on Create. You can add other members to the group at any time. Next, Diigo will provide you with a list of your students' usernames and passwords. These can be edited at this point. You may want to choose more consistent usernames and passwords for ease of remembering. Before leaving this page, make sure that the top button is selected. This will completely disable the personal profile information section for these students. Once you've made any edits that you choose to, click OK, Create Accounts. If you choose to edit the usernames or passwords that Diigo provides, you'll be notified if a username has already been assigned to another Diigo user. You can edit it on this screen and resubmit it. Once you've created your students' accounts, click on the link to your group. In this case, click on RES Digital Citizen. Either link will take you to the same information. On this page, you can begin adding bookmarks for your group to access during their research. You can also add topics to be discussed by your group within Diigo. Once you've clicked on the bookmark button, you can paste a URL into the empty box. Once you've added the URL, click Next. Here you'll enter the title of the site and any comments that will help members identify what information the site has to offer. Enter any tags that relate to the content of the site so that members can easily navigate back to the site by searching tags. A little later, you'll be given the opportunity to create a tag dictionary to ensure that all members are using identical tags. Here's a sample bookmark. Click Post once you've finished with the page. This is what the Diigo link to your bookmark site will look like. Click on Topic to add a group topic. On this page, you create the title of your topic and leave a comment for your students. You can also create tags for your students to link to related resources. Here's a sample topic. Click Post once you've finished with the page. This is what the link to your topic will look like. Click on Group Settings to make changes to the group. In General Group Settings, click on Edit to make changes to the group, including to delete the group. In General Group Settings, you can edit the name of your group. At the bottom of the General Group Settings page, you can change the privacy setting. You can also delete the group here. As the moderator of the group, you can make changes to student members' profiles in the group members' group settings by clicking on the individual student's username. With the Group Tag Dictionary in Group Settings, you can create your class group's tag dictionary. This is a list of predefined tags for your students so that the group can use standardized tags to make retrieving bookmarks more comprehensive and focused. Examples of tags for this group could be digital citizenship, internet safety, fair use, copyright, and plagiarism. Our next tutorial will show you how you and your students can add the Diigo bookmarklet to your toolbar. Using the bookmarklet is a quick way to add bookmarks and annotations to your Diigo account.